Hola, benvindo a Ecork Hotel. Welcome to Ecork Hotel. Here I am in the heart of the Portuguese region of Alentejo, surrounded by ancient olive groves and cork trees, and it's cork that this area is particularly famous for. So much so that it's actually used to insulate the hotel here. But it's not just about providing a unique, eco-friendly hotel. It's also about providing personalised experiences that set it worlds apart from everybody else.
Welcome to my garden.
Welcome to the Cadaval Palace.
Bem-vindos a Campo Maior também.
Welcome to the Maior.
We are not an hotel just to sleep. We are an experience hotel. Our main goal is to lead our guests to have the best experience of ever of this region, of our food, of our wine, of our rest, of our weather.
You feel like 20 years younger. You feel like, wow, have party.
Of all the ways to travel, surely this is one of the best. We're on our way to explore the city of Évora in this beautiful Mustang, and I cannot wait to see what the city has in store for us.
It's living history. If you like history, you can get lost here. This is an open-air library, it's an open-air museum, and it's alive today. The past, the present, and the future is here right now.
Your stay at Ecork Hotel brings with it many privileges, not least unique experiences like this, an insight into the private world of Portugal's Duchess de Cadaval, whose husband is a descendant of the French royal family, and this is their palace, built here right on top of Évora.
Nowadays, we've focused tremendously on the cultural part, the historical part of the palace and the church. The church was nominated the most beautiful church of Portugal. Évora is quite unique because as you walk around and you lose yourself in the little streets.
This is the region of Alentejo, and as you can see, one of the key features of the landscape here are the gorgeous vineyards below, and that's exactly what the guys here wanted to recreate. They wanted to bring back that tradition of wine growing to this fantastic region. And if you just look over there, you can see some people making the most of the gorgeous locally produced wine.
Cheers! Setting here is stunning. What more can you wish for?
Nature is very important in our work. So we try to respect it as much and try to get the best of it. And when you have people happy with your wine, I think that's mission accomplished, you know.
You can enjoy the beauties and the silence of Alentejo.
What a view, isn't it gorgeous?
In the suites we also have space to work, space to sleep, space to rest, and a lot of privacy.
It was a kind of a magic moment, just the lights, being on your own. It's so quiet and so peaceful.
After a week or so, you become a brother to us. It is our way of doing things.
I love the kitchen, I love the food, and I love my team.
I might have just set the alarm off in the palace accidentally.
Obrigado.